Guide coat was one of the first terms I learned when I started working part-time at Tim's Garage in early 2024. It is a common method for getting surfaces flat. It refers to a thin film of black paint sprayed over a primer-coated surface. It is used for the purpose of determining low spots on a panel that your eyes may not be able to see or your fingertips not able to feel. Each coat of primer gets a guide coat prior to wet sanding. This is an example of wet sanding the guide coat off of the driver's door. The left side of this picture shows the guide coat. The right side shows where it has been sanded off. A DuraBlock is used on large flat surfaces to keep panels straight. The block will flex in multiple directions and keep the contour of the panel. The result of an effective use of guide coating will be more even panels that you cannot see with your eye, and ultimately a smoother top coat.